here we are today. We are at the Hitto Ramen, trying out the new ramen. So here we go. I ordered 2 pickup today from Hitto Ramen, and let's open up. They serve like ramen, hibachi, and some appetizer, and that's it. No sushi there. Oh, look at this. The utensil is so cool. Hitto Ramen. So we order a lot of appetizer. This is what we order. We order some ramen, takongshu ramen. This is how it looks like. Oh, the half-boiled egg looks good, huh? With chashu, nori, bamboo shoot. I add additional corn and fungus. Little fish cake there, and I like the way they pack. It's the noodle, they separate noodle and soup. It looks like the soup is at the bottom. So good. I like the packaging for to go, so it won't get soggy when you get back home. We also have some hibachi, like spring roll. We have chicken, steak, and shrimp. This one with fried rice, and this is spring roll with chicken, shrimp, and scallop. Some small little scallop on the bottom, and some vegetables, and with fried rice. And this is also hibachi with steak and chicken, fried rice, spring roll with goya, the dumplings, and the curry beef ramen. So beef on top, vegetable with half-boiled egg, and some curry soup on the bottom. Looks good, looks good, looks good. And of course we have some appetizer here. Shrimp tempura, not bad. I like the tempura, looks good. Let's see if the shrimp gonna be crunchy. And then we order 2 order of CHASHU buns. Each order only come with 2, and now let's try it out. I'm not gonna taste all the hibachi since they are the same thing. So I'm gonna try the one with this one. Let me open the utensil. It's very cool. Let's see what he have inside. Oh, wow, very interesting. They give you napkin, spoon, fork, toothpick, and chopstick. Wow. Okay, so let's see. This is the same thing. Eventually, I'm not gonna taste it. Let's try cover this up first. Let's try the hibachi real quick. Oh, there's a lot of sauce on the bottom. Let's see the stick, huh? I think we asked for medium well, so when it get back home, because to go, it'll still heat up by itself, so when it get back home, it's fully done. I think this should be good. Not much flavor on the steak. Like no gravy. I think the gravy is on the bottom with the rice. Yeah, it's not flavor on the rice, so you kind of need to mix it. The steak, they use sirloin steak, so a little bit chewy, but not like still good. And the shrimp, this is the biggest. How big is the size? Not bad, huh? Good. It's crunchy, fresh, and the chicken. Feel like a lot of stuff there for the price. It come with like the hibachi come with like what kind of rice you can get, like brown rice, fried rice, or white rice. And 2 sides we chose like spring roll and some veggies. So these are the veggie, bean sprouts, and some Shanghai vegetables. Yeah, the chicken is definitely dark meat. Actually, the chicken is softer than the steak, FYI. Again, it's not that salty, the meat. They didn't put much salt on it. I think you have to rely the fried rice, the hibachi sauce on the rice, and then mix it together. It's good. It's definitely not salty, it's good. Now trying the vegetable spring roll. It's good. General spring roll with vegetables, some sweet and chili sauce. It's good. So overall, not bad. Loving it. Not too salty. So I'm gonna try next one. Oh, okay. So this is another hibachi. The only difference is we replace the stick with scallop. So let's take a look at the scallop. It looks like they give you a couple pieces of scallop, which I can even count myself. Only like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They're small little tiny pieces. So this is that small. It's good. Again, they didn't put any marinade on the meat or even the scallop. You're gonna rely on the fried rice sauce. The fried rice is good too. They didn't put, I think they have some vegetables on the fried rice like corn. And otherwise just like salty sauce and then just mix it, the rice, and that's it. So it's nothing like same thing. It's just like the scallop. I think I like steak and shrimp better more. Okay, so this is the CHASHU buns. It comes with some vegetables. The CHASHU, okay amount. Not as big that cover up for the price. I wish it's slightly bigger that can cover the whole bun. And they have some sweet and chili sauce. Why they put sweet and chili sauce? But we'll see. And some veggie here. Let's give it a try. The CHASHU is a little bit dry. Not like moist. You cannot taste the grilled CHASHU there. I feel it's base for base it and then cut it into pieces and put in here. But definitely, I don't know why they put sweet and chili sauce. I feel like they shouldn't put sweet and chili sauce. It's just some other sauce other than that. The bun itself is same as the other restaurant. Yeah, I would prefer. I feel like it's okay, but not the best. For a CHASHU bun, it's a little dry. Light taste is good. Shrimp tempura, right? So that's how it looks like. They give you hibachi sauce, and I don't know what that is. Maybe some salad dressing sauce. So let's try it out. The sauce, right? Oh, this is a little bit spicy. Feels like mayo. Some spicy on it. I love this sauce. And this one, yeah, this is hibachi sauce. So I think I like this orange sauce better. Let's say a touch of this and see how it tastes like. That long. Not bad, the size. A lot better that put on the shrimp. I feel like the shrimp is, a little bit soggy. I prefer like crunchy shrimps. Doesn't feel greasy the way they fry it. I love it. This is the spicy takonshu ramen. Let's try out the soup. I like where they separate out the soup and noodle. So when you take out, it won't get soggy. Oh, very spicy. Very milky flavor. I feel like it's compared to real. By the way, this Hitto ramen is not one by a real Japanese chef, so the taste here is more light. In terms of the saltiness, it's lighter than the real Japanese ramen for sure. So if I toss this out, oh, the CHASHU, look at this CHASHU. I feel like it's not passing what I'm expecting. I'm expecting more like a braise and then somehow grill it to have a better CHASHU there. At least the egg is good, half-boiled egg. Little yolk coming out. Not bad. Give you a whole egg. A lot of bamboo shoot. The ramen looks good too. Ooh. Good amount of portions. Yeah, I think the CHASHU is same as the CHASHU bun. It looks like dry, doesn't look moist. I feel like it should base and grill. That would be the perfect. A slight touch of grilling. Let's try the noodle. The ramen is good, not like soggy because they separate out. But how come I feel like this is not like a real ramen noodle? Well, I guess I'm not complaining. I knew this ahead of time, so we cannot do this kind of comparison. Overall, it's still good, but the soup is definitely spicy. Very spicy. We ordered takongsu, like very milky flavor. The soup is very milky. Light sauce. I mean, light broth. I guess compare Japanese, like Asian chef, Chinese chef, I think depends on the mood. Like Japanese is more saltier than this. So I think I might like this soup base better, less salty. Actually, it's less thicker too. I think the Japanese one is more thicker, the soup, more rich. So this is the last thing we ordered is the curry beef ramen. They have nori and then the beef. I feel like the beef is the same as the sirloin steak. It's good though. The beef has flavor, so they probably braise it a while. It has a lot of flavor in it, but it's not salty. It's very good flavor. The beef is interesting. And then it comes with like lettuce, beef, bean sprouts, and the curry soup. Let's try out the curry soup, huh? You can smell smells curry too. Oh, the curry soup is more like saltier, it's strong curry. The soup is very liquid, not rich. I feel like they use like takongsu or miso and then add with curry. Yeah, definitely good, but I like this one better, FYI. There's a takongsu soup. So crispy, the tempura. Although the shrimp is not like crunchy, but outside is very crispy. I like the orange sauce, it's just so good. A little bit like mayo, spicy. Takongsu ramen, spicy. Ooh. Yeah, I would definitely come back. Not bad the food overall, but you cannot compare like a real Japanese chef of food. Oh, the half-boiled eggs, they have taste on it. I feel like they have salty sauce, like sweet salty sauce on the egg. So you take a little bit sweetness and salty sauce as well. So the half-boiled egg is good. Interesting. I guess if you eat at the store, everything is gonna be nice and hot, the noodle. Right now it's like warm, the soup. So that is the big CHASHU. I think I got 3 slices. I don't remember how many slices I have. Yeah, definitely like dry, not moist enough. I feel like they just braised and slight touch of burn and that's it. So it's very different style. I usually don't feel salty. I can drink the whole soup without feeling guilty. Yeah, it's definitely spicy. I wonder if they add like super spicy chili oil. good amount of noodle. Even though it doesn't look a lot on the upper container when you pour it and let it soak for the soup a while, it feels a lot of noodle. A little piece of fish cake. Yeah, the egg is definitely interesting. It has sweet, salty sauce taste. Very strong sweetness. Yeah, overall, this is good. Very filling right now. I almost finished with a bun and a tempura shrimp. I feel filling and stuff. But like I said, don't expect it's a traditional Japanese ramen. I mean, even though they're similar, there's still a little bit slight difference. Depend what kind of soup, how thickness or richness and saltiness you want. That is where you're gonna go for. And that's it for this video for my lunch. So excited. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.